Yo, what up, what up, what up? This is Busy Home Beat with your boy King Series. Yeah, and today's video I've made an afrobeat here, fireboy type of afrobeat here, and I'm just going to break it down for you guys here. So first of all, as we always do it, let's listen to the beat. Then after that, I just show you how I made this kind of fireboy afrobeat. So okay, yeah, so this is the beat, a very clean sounding beat, fireboy type of afrobeat. You can vibe on it very well. Okay, so but please, if you are new to the channel here, please subscribe to support your boy, like and also comment, because all those things help your boy to also grow here, so that I can do more videos for you guys. Okay, so if I'm breaking this thing down, here is where all the elements are happening. So I started with this chord progression over here. So let's start with our melodies. Yes, there's the chord progression. It's in C major. Yes. Okay, C major. So I didn't do anything on it. I just tweak the velocity and make sure I strum it. Alt plus S to just strum it. Okay, so after this, then I added this melody, the same chord progression, but I have to just make some changes with the way it is. And for that one too, I didn't do anything on it. Okay, I EQ'd the low ends. Yes, that's the thing that I did for this sound. After that, the next thing was I added this sound from GML. You can clearly see that I'm using most of the FL Studio stock plugins here. Yes, so creativity is in your head. Nothing is on it, just the raw sound, and I left it like that. Yes, the raw sound. Okay, so after this sound, then I just add this one just to give it some vibe. So you can't actually hear it well in the beat, but it's making something there. Nothing is on my mixer track. Okay, then the next thing is this guy here. There's my real lead, yes, the melody which is leading the beat. You can take it out and use only the chorus, but I just wanted a lead for it, so that's what it's leading. And this is the bass. I played 2 bass, so at this where the chorus is, that's where we have this bass, and at this side to the verse we have another bass there. So this is just straightforward bass for the chorus. And nothing is on it. Yes, if you are playing it on phone, maybe you might not hear it because it's very low. Then there's the second bass. So It's the same bass from Purity, yes. Nothing is on it, yes. Just the raw sound, and I just left it like that because it wasn't disturbing me with my frequencies and the rest. So after this, then my drums, I have started with this one. And what I did on this is I just make sure I didn't want to get some kind of what do we call it, some frequent you listen to the way it sound here. It sound really like heavy, so I just wanted a just very soft and clean sound. So now yes, you can see it's soft now. It sound really heavy, so it was making the beat to be very noisy. So I had to just take this thing out and make sure. And I put this one so that it could come back a little bit and hit on the grid, yes, like that. Yes, and the next thing was so the rest was just percussion. So let me just mute this, and after this the rest was just the percussion that I was adding. What sound is that? Yes, there's it. So then I added this percussion to it. Yes. So the rest is just adding some percussion to it. It depends on you what you really want to hear. So I was just adding more percussions to it. It's an afrobeat. So there's it. Okay, so the next one was this percussion. Okay, this is just a vox added to it, and what I did on it was I EQ'd the low ends and I added a reverb. Fruity Convolver is a reverb, so I cut some of the low frequencies and lower the width. So if I take it off, this how it will sound. Let me just, you can see that it is really dry. So if I add it, the low frequencies are out. Now it's wet. You can hear it. If you are listening to it in good headset or studio monitors, you can hear it very well. So that's what I did on that. And the next thing that I added was this. This guy. And actually I didn't do anything. I just have to lower the volume to meet everything. It shouldn't be loud. So then the shaker comes inside. I did lower the shaker very low because it was somehow disturbing my frequencies and everything. So I have to bring it down so that my gain staging will be perfect for me. Now at this point we just have the groove, so I just throw in the kick and it goes. So with this, if I add the bass to it, now we are having so let's add the chord progression and see. Another chord. Then this sound. Then our lead, let's throw in our lead. So let's just add the last thing to it. which is just to make sure our chorus is okay. And this thing here is just to make sure that it was a way just to roll. It's my rule. Yes, I have to place them at a certain place, which will make my entry of other sounds be great. Yes, so for them, this is how it goes. You get it? So that's the breakdown of this beat. Yes, that's the breakdown of this beat. So on my master track, I just put a fruity clipper on it, and I just raised the fruity limiter. So that's all. Let's listen to it once and for all. Please subscribe to support your boy, like and comment to this video. I hope your time was never wasted. Yes, I'm out.